Good evening, We Budgets fam. I hope all are well. As I get ready to close week 1 of July, I'm excited for our family trip that is coming up in just about a week now. In preparation for that, the question for tonight came to mind. Do you foresee any big expenses for July, and have you budgeted for them? For me, I have worked on a budget for our family trip, and I'm ready to just look into it to see if I've saved enough and to start making just finalizing some plans. But curious, do you foresee any big expenses this month, and have you budgeted for them? As we prepare for that, I'm going to close this month. If you're interested in seeing how that goes, I'm also going to want to stuff some into my 100 envelopes. If you're interested in seeing how that goes, let's get it. All right, as I said, We Budgets fam, welcome this evening. It is 9:17, so it's been a long day. It's Friday night. Looking forward to closing week 1 and just seeing, as I do, what I was able to save for that first week. If it's your first time seeing one of my close the week videos, what I do here is I just go in, I track our standard spending, groceries, gas, and household, and see what I was able to save in those primary spending areas. So I've pulled out my envelopes from my wallet, and I'm just going to go ahead and empty those. I think I'm going to go with that. I'm going to empty the primary spending that goes along with it, just so we can track it a little bit tighter. Now, we'll need to pull out, I owe a little bit more for groceries, and I do owe some for gas that I'll have to pull and put into my to the bank binder. So just for spending, which envelope wallet says cash, and I've got 23 to start. I'm dropping this binder down to 150. So anything over 150, this envelope down to 150. Anything over 150 comes out of the envelope and goes into saving for the end of our goes into the saving, goes into saving for my weekly leftover. So counting this out to 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And we need some change already. I'm going to set this here, and I owe 10. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 40. I owe 10 for spending. And by the time we pull out, empty those binders, all those little envelopes will have some more change. Groceries. No, so that would, let me pause and make some change just to make it, one sec. Okay, so I just grab my handy dandy change envelope. And what I'm going to do, go in here, I'm going to pull out 2 10s, take this 20 back. Then I can keep this out. Do this correct. So spending, going to drop spending, leave spending at 150, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50. That makes spending, saving this first week. I was able to save 20, 30, 31, 32, $33 that I didn't spend in my regular, just everyday spending money. And I'll take that. That's definitely a start. Groceries is up next. Let's set these here. Groceries are dropping down. Groceries should be at 262 right now. 51, 52, 50, 60. And I'm going to pull out the grocery envelope leftovers. And I need $2. This is all groceries right now. So I'm going to bump this up to 262, and that'll be what we have for the next 3 weeks. 51, 52, 50, 61, 2. I'm not going to worry about that. 50 cents. I do owe groceries. Let's see. 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. That would be 48. But I do owe $10 back to go back to the bank. So we'll take 10 away. We'll say this is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So $38 saved from groceries. And all this goes to the side. This 10, and I use my Bank of America rewards card. And this goes back to the bank. Check. This was week 1 of July. Hope everyone's well. You can put down in the comments how you're doing. How's this month treating you so far? Let's see. For gas is next, and gas I actually owe $50. It's $50. I'll just pull out of here, as I always do. I use my, or as I do frequently, use my Shell card, and these are all my envelopes that go back. If I use them, my cards, the money goes back to the bank. Get the rewards. I think I saved like $4 and something on this fill up just from using that card. And then when it comes, it's due towards the end of the month, I'll just fill it up. From gas, see if there's any extra in here. Gas is going down to 187, 51, 50, 70, 80. I need $7. I'll make some more change here. I'm going to break this 20, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Handy dandy change envelope. Change. All right. So we're going to drop this envelope down to 187, 51, 50, 70, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take that back. 80, 85, 86, 87. This goes into gas. And this is gas for the next 3 weeks. And that means I was able to save $10, $11, $12, $13 in gas. I'll take it. Home stays. I do $10 a month just in case we need anything for home. So this 20, I don't save this. Next week, whatever is left over, we'll pull that out. As for now, it stays. And that's a wrap for that binder for now. These go back. You can see what we saved. So again, this is just one of my opportunities to save more. For week 1, this is what I was able to save: 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. So lower save this month, but I did need to get re-up on stuff for groceries. So it makes sense. 84, 20, 40, 60, 70, 14, $84 for week 1. 84 for week 1. So if, again, just for reminders, what I'm working to beat. So right now in July, saved $84. In May, I saved $614. And in June, which was another awesome save, I saved $631. So definitely a huge number to attempt to beat, but we'll see how that goes. I'm going to now just go ahead and stuff. So that was unstuffing the binder or my envelopes or my wallet. And I'm going to restuff it for next week. Spending, I'm going to go ahead and put $40 in for next week. And this is just spending for if I decide to eat out, if I decide to stop by the store and grab something extra that's not grocery related or house related. That's what that money's for. Groceries is going to give $50. I don't plan on having to buy too much. Again, I did re-up on some of the necessities this week. And let's see, gas is also getting $50. I've got a half a tank right now. So depending on how much I drive around this weekend, I would like to go into next week with some gas. We'll see. This goes away. And these go back into my wallet. Home and gas, I'll slide in the back of here. And food and cash up front. This gives me cash money to spend for the week if I need cash. And my cards are here. If I spend off my cards, then it goes back into the bank envelope. I'm going to save this. And if you're interested in sticking around, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do some more work on my 100 envelope challenge. I'm ready to get that wrapped up. Excited to save. I'm actually going to use this cash plus some of my other cash that I have set aside for my 100 envelope challenge. I'm going to get that set up. Be right back. Quick intermission. Wanted to give shout outs to two of the We Budgets fam. First to Gina. Gina, I appreciate you. Thank you for spiking my coffee. I'm looking forward to that spike. Later on, I'm going to wrap up. Then I'm going to have my spike coffee this evening. Also, shout out to one of the original We Budgets fam to hop into Budget with Bunny. Bunny did spiked my deck. So looking forward to doing another round of pick and pull so I can hop into Bunny's spike. I appreciate you, Bunny. Thanks for that spike. Looking forward to spiking my deck. And back to the video. All right, We Budgets fam, I am back. I actually stopped, had me some dinner. It was getting late. It's 10:24 now. Didn't want to eat too late. Ate, kicked back for a little bit, but I'm back to do some of this, knock out some of this 100 envelope box. So we are almost there. I'm so close, so close. Looking forward to knocking it out. This is what we have left. Let's see. All right. So I'm hoping to knock this out soon. I was thinking to do a few numbers, but I think I'm gonna just do what we have here. I'm hoping to not end up with any leftovers or any IOUs. I've been good so far. I usually go to my doing me binder, but I feel like most of that money is in the bank already. So we'll have to see what happens. Let's get started. And hopefully, I'm talking over it. Before it was had some feedback when it spent 92. So we're going to, I don't need this right now. We're going to knock out these big numbers. And let's see, 92 is here. And 92 is gone. That leaves one more big number on here. 92 is 95. And pulling an envelope. We don't have many left in here. Let's see what we got. And we've got a symbol. This symbol says to add to the home binder. Add to the home binder. Vision. Yep. Puts the wrong one. Sorry. No, this is it. It's just out of order from pick and pull. Home binder is getting this 90. That's a big number to put over there. So after adding it, I'm supposed to add 5 to this envelope still. What I want to add this 50. So that still gives us some decent, instead of just 5, I'm going to add 50. Since it was such a large number that is coming out of here. I'm sure y'all can agree with that. All right, and with that, 92 is off of here. Remove and spin it again. It's nice and stuffed. And I don't know what this thing is doing. And 98 is 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I'm laughing because before I started tonight, I'm like, I wonder if I should just fill in these big numbers first and get them done with. But lo and behold, the wheel has decided to knock these big numbers out. And we get an envelope, and it is a regular envelope. So the box is getting $100 tonight. And I'm happy it's staying in here. All right, we got some more cash. Remove And let's see. Hopefully it don't just go to the next largest number and it's not doing some kind of weird auto spins. And 69, which is 70, 24, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. See, that's some of that more that bad counting. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70. We're going to color in 69, which is here. I did go in before doing my little break, and I made sure that the numbers were correct on the wheel. 69, we're going to pull an envelope out of here, and it is a basic or standard regular envelope. 69 into the box. You go. Open up, please. Man, 69 is saved. Awesome. I've been seeing a lot of people counting their boxes. I'm ready to count mine up. I'm excited to see what I end up with at the end. Not very many gaps left on here. I'll definitely finish this month. So I didn't think I would. I thought that it was way too soon, but I'll definitely finish this box this month. 28 is 30. And if it's your first time watching one of these videos for this box, I am adding up. So not using any ones in the box. So that 28, instead of putting 28, I'm putting 30. At least 30. Grab an envelope, and it is a regular one, so 30 into there. 30 you go. And we got a little cash left. What we got? Not a little cash. We're going to do at least one more number. Remove and spin. Hopefully we got enough to cover another number. And 52, 52, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. 52 is 55. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Did I count that wrong? 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. I sure did. Somebody was ready to tag me, right? I do appreciate y'all letting me know, though, because I do miss them. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Perfect. Get the lights. 55. And take 52. Did I take 52 off of here? Nope. 52 is gone. What is this? This is $10. I'm going to wrap this up and I'm going to just throw this in here. Extra cash saved. It's pretty full. And I'm going to pull an envelope. Hopefully it's a regular one. If not, I'm going to put it back. This one was a what? I add 5, I added 10. So we're even. Add 5. I already added 10. So there we go. Cash is in. We don't have very many left on here to do. Excited to get it finished. Thanks for sticking around. Close week 1. Added to first week of savings for the 100 envelope challenge. And that's a wrap. Thanks for stopping by. If you made it this far, go ahead, drop a blue heart. I appreciate you. Peace.